Hey folks, welcome back to the bench. Well, a new gadget came in the mail here a couple days ago. I've already played with it, but I figured I'd show you guys because I'm doing a little bit of work with it. It really has I didn't order it for any set purpose, but I just thought it was kind of neat. What it is this thing. Now it is a 100-watt LED. Now when I say 100-watt, I don't mean equivalent to a 100-watt light bulb. I mean it actually pulls 100 watts of power. So these LEDs, you can get them on eBay pretty cheap. They're about 10 bucks, but they need about 35 volts at over 3 amps to power them. So they really suck the juice back, and also they generate a lot of heat. And that's what I'm going to address today. Now what I'm using to power it is a 12 volt source, and I got this on Amazon. It's just a 12 volt to 30 variable voltage boost converter, and it's good for like 3.5 or 5 amps, something like that. Got the wires on there. I've already tried it. Works fine. And I've powered it both with my 12 volt power supply, but the thing is you can also power it from a 3-cell LiPo pack. This is a 5,000 milliamp hour, 5 amp hour, because a 12 volt or a 3-cell LiPo pack will actually put out close, usually a little over 12 volts. So it works just fine. While I'm thinking of it, I'm going to charge it up here just to make sure it's got plenty of juice. So I've used it a little bit. Let's see here. Get the charge going on it while I'm yapping and working. But my plan, like I say, these things generate a lot of heat, so they can't be left on for very long on their own because they get hot. So my plan is to mount it on this. Now this is a heat sink I scavenged from an old computer. Left the fan on, and this should be a 12 volt fan. I'll make sure and double check that. So that's nice, because when I'm powering this with 12 volts, I can also power the fan with 12 volts to keep things running cool. Now to mount the the LED to the heat sink, I don't know if you can see the marks on there. I've already marked it. I'm going to drill 4 holes, tap them, put some heatsink compound, and then just fire this thing directly on. So let me drill the holes, tap them, and mount them, and then I'll light this thing up and see if I can knock out the sensor on my camera. Alright folks, I got the LED mounted. I haven't bothered with the fan yet. I guess maybe I could do that really quick. Let's see here. I should be able to just push these pins out. There's 3 wires, but I only need 2 because one of them is an RPM sense wire. Should be the red and the black. So let's just see if this fan spins. I'm not going to leave it on that long for the purpose of the video. I'm just want to make sure this fan works as well. Now I'm going to unhook the LED first. Okay, let's see. I don't know, you won't be able to necessarily see it on video if it's spinning or not, but you can probably hear it, so that's working good. Now, oh, you saw a flash there. You get an idea of how bright this sucker is. And like I say, I don't know if my camera will like it, so who knows, she may go black. So watch your eyes folks, here she goes. I'm going to turn this light off. Actually might be better to leave it on. And the moment of truth, ready to see some blinded by the light? There you go. Man, that thing is bright. I don't think the camera does it justice, but it's insanely bright. If I turn this off, you can probably see it a little bit better. I can't look at it because it's too hard on the eyes, but I don't know what I'm going to do with this thing. Maybe I'll make the world's brightest flashlight or something, a portable one, but I thought it was pretty cool, and that's why I ordered one. So I'm gonna have to do some more work, make sure I insulate under here so that these wires don't short out and so on. But it's a pretty nifty little gadget. So I don't know, like I say, what I'm gonna do with it, but I'm sure I'll have some videos in the future of it. Till then, take care and talk to you later.